Hello everybody, welcome back to a global dosage of golf. Today you'll be watching a video of how I get ready for my golf trips. So I have one coming up. Okay, it's not really coming up too close. It is. So okay, let's back up. Today it is January 5th and I just booked my flights to, can I get a drum roll please? Northern Ireland. And I'm really excited, except my trip's not until July, and which is probably when you'll be watching this video. So I'm going to take you along and show you exactly how I prepare for my golf trips. Let's get started. First thing I'll do is research things to do in Northern Ireland. Hey everybody, so one of the things that we like to do before we travel together is we like to watch movies that are filmed in the place we're going. So since we're going to Northern Ireland, we're going to watch some movies that are filmed in Northern Ireland, and we like to enjoy a home-cooked traditional Irish dish. So today we are making an Irish skillet banger, which is also known as colcanos. I think I'm saying this right, probably not. And we're gonna use some vegan sausages for this. And we're gonna have some mac and cheese on the side. Colcanos and some mac and cheese on the side. Alright, quick update. It's about 1:22 a.m. and usually I tend to hear back email-wise between 1:30 and 4:30 a.m. I'll stay up a bit longer, maybe 20-30 minutes or so, doing some research and see if I hear back. That way I can get things booked as soon as possible. Good evening. We are getting ready for another Irish dining and movie night. So I'm going to show you the ingredients and we're going to get started. Adding in some veggie meat. All done with the Irish stew, and we made it a vegan Irish stew, so can't wait. And it smells really, really good. All right, you guys. Alright, we're about to take the first bite. Wow. I give it a thumbs up. How about you, Jen?
Oh yeah.
Yay! so we won't be able to do Port Stewart, but we can do Castle Rock. I think. Well, I'm gonna read the email now. Hi Stephanie, we are obviously all very excited about the upcoming season for golf in Ireland and the Open Fever now at full pitch. We would love to see you and Jennifer Brumbaugh, my favorite traveling companion, on the day. It should be the perfect start to an exciting week. Please RSVP to the Castle Rock Invitational. Yes! Finally, it's all set up. Well, I have to RSVP and then it'll all be set up. Alright you guys, the final countdown has begun and we will be heading over to Jen's for our final movie night. Our splurge on American food. We leave in 1.5 days. Our flight is tomorrow at 8:10 p.m. Or well, when you're watching this, probably be today or tomorrow. Hopefully, fingers crossed I get everything done before I leave. But I started packing last night. I packed all my clothes and left that much for my toiletries, but maybe I will pack that on the flight with me. And I'm gonna bring a carry-on too, so I can make some more room because I didn't even put my shoes in there. Are you gonna miss me? No? Well, you'll start missing me as soon as I pull out my vessel carry-on bag and then you just try to hop into there, huh? Yeah. My baby. Wow, you guys, it has been a very, very hectic morning. So we're supposed to be heading to Northern Ireland and our flight got delayed by 4 hours, meaning we would miss our first round of golf at Ardglass the following day. And so I've been on the phone for 3 hours working with British Airways to get it figured out, and luckily we did. So instead of flying out of San Jose, we'll be flying out of San Francisco. Luckily I'm all packed and I'm ready to go. Jen, we finally made it.
But where are we?
We're in San Francisco instead of San Jose.
So instead of like leaving our houses at what, like 5, we left at 3.
And had to rush pack everything. After flight delays and after airport changes. And now we're headed to Northern Ireland. We'll see you there in the next episode.